say so. They don't know what I know. We're legendary. You'll never break a legend. You'll know my name forever. I'm not afraid of dying. Gotta break case. They don't know what I know. We're legendary.
Kahit anong topak mo sa ulo, andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. 18 ka na, baka pwede nang humawak-awak ng walis.
Feeling supernatural.
I believe that you would be the person who would step right into the spotlight and grab everyone's attention effortlessly.
Celebrate.
So ngayon, 18 ka na, bawas-bawasan mo na yung pagiging masungit.
Make it happen. Just imagine. Make it happen.
Act as a fine young lady. Be responsible and just know your limitations while enjoying your new chapter of your life.
Make it happen. Just imagine.
Enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo. Laging ganon. Huwag kang masyadong seryoso sa buhay. Good luck. I love you.
Lahat naman ng kaya namin ibigay para sa'yo, gagawin namin ni Mami tsaka ni Daddy. Basta patuloy ka lang maging mabait at huwag masungit.
You got this. Make it happen. Just imagine. Make it.
Do not stop chasing your dreams. So as you chase your dream, I hope it is filled with love, laughter, and the best that you can do.
Make it happen. Just imagine.
Happy birthday, Edin.
Happy birthday.
Sana happy ka sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Basta lagi kaming nandito ni Kuya. Pag may tanong ka sa accounting, kay Kuya lang din yun.
Kayo, basta message mo lang kami palagi if may kailangan ka.
Happy birthday, Crystal!
Happy birthday, Eddie!
Happy birthday, Edin.
Happy birthday, Eddie!
Make it happen. Just imagine. Make it happen.
Life is not easy. Sometimes it's unfair, but life is beautiful. You're blessed, so continue to live.
Make it happen. Just imagine.
Talagang habang lumalaki ka, lalo kang sumusungit. Pero alam naman namin na it's your way lang para ma-hide mo yung nararamdaman mo.
Baby, won't you tell me what you're doing tonight? Had a couple drinks and I got you on my mind. If you wanna be together, come on over to mine. We could share this bottle of wine. Cause
Follow what makes you happy and what gives you purpose. And if you feel lost or confused, it's okay because everything will eventually fall into place.
say what we wanna say, do what we wanna do, be who we wanna be, love who we want to, dance when we wanna dance, touch when we wanna touch. In case tonight they finally see.
Always and continue a God-fearing individual because everything will follow. It's a domino effect.
What we wanna do, be who we wanna be, love who we want to.
Gusto lang naman namin mapabuti ka, makatapos, ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo sa buhay. Lagi mong tatandaan, andito lang kami, si Mommy, si Daddy, si Kuya, tsaka si Ate. We will support you all the way.
Know you want me to stop hiding.
I'm always gonna be here if you need someone to talk to. Again, happy 18th birthday.
Say what we wanna say, do what we wanna do, be who we wanna be, love who we want to.
Keep moving forward. So, life goes on. It's too short to worry. So, you don't have to worry about anything. We're here to support you.
No way we should say what we wanna say, do what we want.
Medyo kailangan lumabas-labas ka na rin sa comfort zone mo. Kasi you have to explore everything na kasi you're 18. Basta, andito lang kami lagi. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. Spread your wings.
It's been long enough. Can we just say
Anak, bebe, I'm proud of you. Naging mabait kang anak. At sana mag-enjoy ka tong araw na to.
in case tonight they finally say today's the day and there's an asteroid on the way. We should say what we wanna say, do what we wanna do, be who we wanna be.
Alam mo, you are our greatest blessing. I love you, anak. Sobrang proud kami sa'yo.
Love